Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. I wanted to continue on with the perler theme today as well, and I'm going to be making some anime inspired accessories today. I'm a huge fan of Naruto and I want to recreate some of the icons and designs that I've seen in the show. First, I want to make some earrings inspired by the Akatsuki clouds. If you watch Naruto, you're probably familiar with this design. I've already created the bead design for this. I'll put a picture of that somewhere on the screen. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot if you want to make your own. Now, last week I used an app called Bead Creator. I used that to make the pattern this time as well, but I've also gone into Adobe Illustrator and laid out a pattern there, and then I copied that onto the Bead Creator app. Now let's make these Akatsuki earrings. Just checking to make sure all my beads are in place. Now looking at this, I'm realizing that this is absolutely ginormous. I don't think I want these on my ears because they'd be a little too big. So I think I'm going to turn this into a necklace instead, a pendant. Now let's fuse this together. So I've got my mini press ready here. It's already green, which means it's ready. It's already heated up. Now we're just gonna let it cool. Just feeling it. It's not completely cool to the touch, but I think it'll do. Now we could leave it like this, but I think I want to fuse the back too. Or should I? I think I'll just leave it alone. I think this looks pretty good and it's sturdy, so it's not gonna go anywhere. Not falling apart. And yeah. That's an Akatsuki cloud. Now I do want to make some smaller earrings, so I'm going to make some Shuriken earrings. Shuriken are ninja throwing knives. They're an essential ninja tool. So let's make them. I think I messed up. I'm going to start over. That looks like a Shuriken. I'm just going to do another one. I have a feeling I messed up again. That looks about right. Wait for this to cool. I'm just gonna carefully peel these over. I'm gonna use my Cricut mat here to press the other side because I don't want to damage my table. And we'll let it cool. I'm gonna put this aside while it cools. I also want to make a Sharingan pendant. And I seem to have run out of red. And now we finally have some red. Now we can continue. Moving right along. I know this seems like a very slow process, but it can be quite relaxing. You just take your time, place the beads one by one, and relax. Now my circular pegboard here is a bit small. There seems to be one ring missing, so I'm going to attempt to place some of the beads outside, just freestyle. So now it's time to fuse them. So I've lost two here, and I think I'll wait for this to cool down and then try to put them back together. not completely cold. I think that looks pretty good. Some parts are a bit too smashed, but that's okay. It adds to the charm of it. Just gonna take that off from the back. And from this side, it looks pretty good. And that's a Sharingan. And now we have our Naruto inspired pieces. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I especially like these Shuriken. They look like actual Shuriken. I made them from pearly beads, pearly silver colored beads, or metallic I guess. And they look pretty good. They look metallic. You could probably play with these, take out your enemies, just throw it at them, like that, oh, like that. Okay, let's make them into actual accessories. I'm gonna make these two into necklaces first. So I'm gonna make a hole on top there, that's kind of the center, yeah. And for this one, there's quite a few holes already, so I won't need to make a hole. To make the hole, we're going to use our rusty drill here, with our big drill. I don't have a jewelry drill, so we're just gonna use our big drill. I guess I didn't put that in right. Let's try that again. I found these necklace cords at my local dollar store, and I'm gonna use these to string them up to make them into actual necklaces. But I think I want to make a jump ring just so it lays flat instead of on the side. So let's do that. We're gonna use our leftover wire from last week. I know I wasn't that successful at making them last time, but we'll do our best. And that's one necklace. I think that looks pretty good. Now let's make the other one. And that's our second necklace. Now let's make our Shuriken earrings. We're gonna need some holes again on top, right there and there maybe. We have our two earring hooks. Let's make some jump rings for these two. And that's one earring. Let's make another one. I forgot to put in my earring hook. Now I have to open it again. And there you have it. That's two earrings. We have our Shuriken earrings. And that's all the Naruto pieces that we've made today. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Now, thinking about Naruto puts me in the mood for Naruto's favorite food, that's ramen. So let's put an outfit together with our new accessories and go get some ramen.
Here's the outfit that I put together. I also made the shirt, by the way. I made it using a cricket and some iron-on vinyls, and I opted to wear the Akatsuki cloud pendant because I thought putting the Sharingan on might be way too much Sharingan. And I'm wearing the Shuriken earrings. And ramen is here. Today I'm eating spicy beef ramen, and I've added some corn to it. And I've also added an order of takoyaki. So good. Giving the takoyaki a try. And that is all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you next time. Bye!